if you have AirPods, and you've had them for a while or whatever, you probably have noticed that the sound quality has gotten really low. There's actually a hack that you can do to increase the volume, get them back to kind of the brand new volume you had when you first got them. So what you have to do, and bear with me here, is get an old toothbrush. You're not going to be using this toothbrush again, let me tell you right now, and dampen it a little bit, and then you scrub like the outside of the earpiece where the little speaker is that goes in your ear, and kind of scrub around it as well because you'll find out. And then you put your mouth, I said bear with me. It's clean. We just cleaned it.
Okay.
There are 2 dots that have a speaker on your AirPod. So you put your mouth over the larger one and you blow until you can feel air coming out of that small one. And then leave them to dry and have a little moment alone. Think about what they've done. And then when you put them back in, your AirPods will be like as good as new.